It's hard to believe January is already almost over. A little fun fact for you here in Valpo, about half of those days that we've had so far in January have seen snowfall. But a question you may have if you like or dislike snow, will we be seeing any more snow this month? The answer for that question, we will maybe for the last few days of the month, but it won't be anything like with what the Northeast is dealing with. They have a big nor'easter, or basically a blizzard that rides up the northeast coast, and we could see that just continuing along for the next few days. By 6 o'clock tonight, the snow is still affecting portions of Boston and even along the coast of Maine. It finally begins to clear out Wednesday, but now I want to direct your attention off to the Midwest, Illinois and Indiana, and even parts of Michigan. We see some clouds Wednesday morning, but then as the day goes on, we begin to see some snow just above the banner in extreme northern Michigan and even parts of Canada. As the night goes on, we begin to see those clouds move eastward and more snow begin to form. And so more of those New England states are going to be seeing snowfall when they'll already be dealing with a lot of snow. I want to show you some snowfall totals. There's less to the southwest. Middletown is at just over ½ inch. Harrisburg, Pennsylvania will be at 1 inch. But in portions of Massachusetts and Rhode Island and even New Hampshire, well over 1 foot of snow, even almost 2 feet of snow in Boston, Massachusetts. We'll continue northward along the coast through Maine, and we see well over 1 inch of snow. So any of these places can see between 2 and 3 feet of snow locally, and it's just going to be very difficult to know how much until all of that snow finally stops come on Wednesday. But here in Valpo, no big snows to deal with, thankfully. Just a few pesky clouds Tuesday morning. Temperatures around northwest Indiana and Illinois will be in the upper 20s to start the day, but warm up into the 30s going into the afternoon. By about 5 o'clock, we see more of those clouds off to the west, and they begin to pull in a little bit in the early morning hours. Temperatures will start in the low 20s Wednesday morning, but we will warm up to right around freezing. A few clouds come in Wednesday afternoon, and more come in during the later parts of the afternoon. So by about 6 o'clock, it'll still be 32 in Valpo, 34 in Gary, as well as in Kankakee. But again, going into the overnight hours, we still see no snowfall to talk about. So for today, again, right about 29 degrees, a mix of sun and clouds in the skies. Those winds will be light as well. Overnight, those winds will be shifting to out of the east-southeast as we have an area of high pressure that will leave the Midwest, making those skies partly cloudy as well. The low temperature will be 18 degrees, but we will quickly warm up to 34 tomorrow. Clouds will be on the increase during the day tomorrow, as we will see a chance for some shower activity Thursday with a cold front. We could see a few snowflakes mixed in with that, as those temperatures will be falling from that high of 35 degrees. Going into the weekend, those temperatures will fall, but they'll be right around 30 degrees, and we could see a few snow flurries here or there, especially in the overnight hours. Sunday, we could see more steady snow, but those lows quickly drop back into the single digits Sunday going into Monday morning, But again, no big snows to talk about, just a few flurries here or there for the next week. Enjoy your Tuesday. I am meteorologist Lynnette Grant.